Hugglemonster here. Mama made her delicious boysenberry noodles. Awesome.
Henry, how many times have I told you? You get a better slurp with more noodles.
Gravy, please.
Well, that was a surprise.
Hippa, hippa, hoo, hoo, hoo.
My, is that such a good idea, Daddo?
No, that's why it's so fun. I call this juggle-a-la mode.
Nice, Daddo.
Roar-tastic trick, Beckett. Like Daddo, like Monster Dog.
Oh, Mama doesn't seem so happy.
How was everyone's day?
Sorry.
I was asking, how was everyone's
Now, everyone, watch me!
Hugglemonsters! How was everyone's day?
Oh, it was fine, dear. How was your day?
It was lovely. Thank you, Daddo. But I am tired of us always eating like a bunch of monsters. Could we behave like gentle monsters just once?
But, Mama, we are monsters.
That's not gonna happen.
Uh-oh. I think Mama's really upset.
I know. He thinks we eat like monsters.
Weird.
What can we do to make her feel better?
Oh, what if we take her to a fancy dinner at Senor Ortonio's Monster Cafe?
Hey, that's a huggle-tastic idea, Henry. Mama's always wanted to go there, and I've always meant to take her.
Summer, Cobby, let's go get a reservation. Go, go, go!